Well, it's potato time. See what we got. Oh, one just rolled out. Oh, they little. I don't even know what kind I planted. They must have been little ones. Oh. Let's see. Ah. These are little fingerlings. So you buy potatoes and just throw some in some dirt. Yeah, this is definitely a small variety. Bees are over here buzzing. Must don't appreciate me in their dirt, maybe. Oh, that one's bigger. Oh, these are like different kind than those. These are definitely white potatoes. That is a starter potato, I do believe. It's looking good. Ooh, look at the creepy crawlies. Another little one. I'll leave those for next year. See what this one has. Oh, they've grown down into the ground. Twisted the other way. They grew through the newspaper. Got some bigger ones over here. Ah, that's a nice one. Oh, look at that one inside of there. Let's see what we got here. That's nice. That's a nice one. Ooh. That one. Got any more? Oh. Leave those. Ooh. Looks like the ones with newspaper did really well, but they are a different variety of potato. So was it the variety that made it produce more? Or was it the newspaper in the bottom? know. Look, I got a bunch. Ooh, look at all these. Wow. Well, that one has got newspaper in it too. So let's see how that one did. But I don't know what kind of potatoes is in that one either. Uh-oh. Wow. I'm getting some taters. And I'll have more growing back in this same spot because of those that I'm leaving in there. I think that's it. That must have been the starter on the seed potatoes. Okay. I think, oh, nope, look at there. Wow. So that's what I got so far from 2 of those crates. I'm gonna look down here up. I'm about to miss some good ones. Nice potato. Yeah, I think that's all. That's it. Oh, no, look at there. Wow, this one did a lot of potatoes. And that is from 3 potato starts. They all had 3 in them. Okay, I think that's it for real this time. All right. Let's see what we got here. I can get it up from the ground. All right, twist it that way. What's in there? Nope, that's just leaves. All right, let's see what we got here. Here we go, one. And this looks like the same kind that was over in the first one. So maybe we won't get as many as these. Uh-oh, this one's cracked. We'll figure it out. May not get as many as these. These are these feel russeted. I don't remember planting russet potatoes, but I could have. They didn't do as well as the white potatoes. Yeah, they definitely didn't do as well as the white ones. Oh, this one did better than the first one. But, well, I'll say not as good as the second one, but I'm still pulling them, so maybe. Let's see. I think that's it. definitely didn't do as well as the white ones. But not too bad. Oh, here we go. Leave that one. We'll seed potato for next year. I think that's it now for real. Yep, that's it. All right, there's my little potato harvest for this year. Considering I don't really eat potatoes, I think that's pretty darn good. Well, I eat them, but not that much. All right, potato harvest 2026 in the books. Have some more over there somewhere, but I have to go look for them because I left them in the ground last year, so they're starting to die back, but I'll find them.